Now let's go back a little bit and share with you a little bit more about the template information. Okay, how to use this template properly. Now, this area down here will give you some reference on the staircases and the ramp conditions, and what you can do to simply use them. All right. So let's zoom in a little bit here. This is a dogleg staircase condition at the lowest story. Okay, so let me try to zoom in this one closer a little bit. So you notice that the line weights are also a little bit different. All right, this one is designed to be viewed at scale of 1:50. So I'm going to change this one to LTS 50. You will now notice that the hidden lines here will be more pronounced. Okay, so if you look at this, this is at what we call the lowest story. It's either the ground story or the basement stories. Okay, so this is the very first or the lowest ground level. So our plans are usually designed to be cut off at 1 meter. So the risers will stop at about 6 or so. This one is the intermediate stair condition, meaning this starting point dot here is not the highest floor or the lowest floor. It is an in-between, like typical 2nd story to 5th story, for example. Okay, this one means our arrows in Singapore for staircases are always looking or pointing up only. All right, so therefore this is, for example, we are in level 2. This will be in level 2 going up, arrow to level 3. And this arrow that is being pointed up this way here, when my mouse is moving, will be from level 1 coming up to level 2 here. Okay. And the last one will be the staircase condition on the highest level, the highest story. Okay, let's say the top floor is at level 10. This will be then at level 10. This arrow simply denotes coming up from level 9 to level 10 here, or this coming up to the roof level down here. Okay, so the arrows are pointing up this way all the way. All right. Likewise, this is another condition, except the floor-to-floor height is at 4.2 instead of the floor-to-floor height being at 3.15 for very commonly found in residential conditions. Next one, I'm going to show you here on 2 ramp conditions here. Okay, ramp conditions, ramp gradients or inclinations in Singapore is usually quite controlled. So the ramp conditions are usually more commonly found at 5 degrees. 5 degrees will be equal to the ramp gradient of 1:12. That means for every 1 meter rise, there should be a 12-meter horizontal run this way. All right. So the plan indication, we will have to indicate the gradient at 1:12, and the minimum width condition, minimum clear width without counting in the railings, would be 1.2 meters. All right. So this is the sectional view of it. So at the inclination of 1 meter, the horizontal run distance will be 12 meters. All right. If you see down here for your reference, a vertical rise exceeding 200 mm. So we need to apply this 1:12 gradient principle. But if the vertical rise is between 50 mm to 200 mm, our vertical rise condition, okay, we can use a 1:10 gradient, which is a 6-degree inclination here. 6 degrees, that means it's a lot steeper here. All right. So something for you to refer to, yeah.